Good morning, mga Yadz. It's early morning and we are having our breakfast here. Say hello. Yes. So they have a nice, kasi tawag ganito
Buffet room.
interior with a jellyfish type lantern. Oh, kono na ko anak na jellyfish siya. And then our coral background. So nice. And it's a buffet breakfast. And they have pancakes. Ang sudan kay corned beef, chicken, egg, and na sila pansit. Bihon in the morning. And then you have cereals, free-flowing coffee, juice, and congee. So, this buffet man siya. Solito ni naman siya. So, round 1. Okay. Fine. Hi guys! Ano man na may kaon? Nabusog ka man? Saan yung kaon?
Kwenta kong paninorte, bihon, manok,
Bakit mo? Ikaw may kaon?
kanang pancake, French toast.
French toast.
French toast.
French toast.
Anya, watermelon, pineapple.
Namaritso niya tanong siya.
Ha?
Namaritso niya yung
Ingon mo ka.
So, morang po na ilang sudan din. So,
Wala yung buwan. Wala yung buwan.
yes, and the rest of the family is still eating there. Familia. And senor. Hi, Ada. What are you eating, Ada? Cereals.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll, rock and roll.
Everyone is still eating.
Other one, other one.
The other one. The one that got away. Yes.
The other one.
So, ang mamam siya kay ganada sa maligo dagat. Laban sila dagat nila.
Sabi, gabi ganito.
Hey guys, so we're now checking out. Daghan di kay may mga dala. And we are off to our next destination.
Samboan.
Samboan.
Samboan na right.
So,
Sambuan na sa
what's up mga Yadz? So, nanandimi diri karon sa Samboan. Og obvious kay sa kong now na bago kog mata. So, mga lunch man nga mot diri man, Borlox na dayon mi. So karon since Samboan is known for the town in Buwan. It's known for the mga waterfalls. So we're gonna explore some of the waterfalls here in Samboan. So I'm still with my bitches over here and Joanna. So daghang salamat sa Herono. So kitapil. Ha? Heromo gani. Heromo family. Yes. Ah, halulu. Oh, ako sure. Heromo family for adopting us for tonight. So thank you so much. And now we're going. See you guys. Pinabtik. Because we are going to the falls of Samboan. And nagwa kami sa mong other ride. We'll take you there to where we are. To the road less taken. Buyers. Yes, we are here in the first falls. Ang gitawag ni siya Dao Falls. So nada siya entrance na 40 pesos. register pa mo dira. And then we have a tour guide because no tour guide, no entry. So, nagwa kami ni Joanna. Si kadugay niya dito today. Huh? So there. So, amo mga gwapo na mga chauffeur.
Nasugo og pa-picture.
Ano sa mga market Edmar dari mo? Natabonan nimo dahil market Edmar pat. Message regards lang nimo.
Nasugoan si Kuya dai.
Lagi day. Sorry kay kuya. Oh, suguan nung kada. I guess. So, now that may 20 minutes walk before going to the falls. Walk, as in walk your ass, bitch.
Pakita mo kami.
Okay, Dao Falls. Alright, you guys, this is challenge number 2 because we will be walking through a bamboo bridge, hanging bridge. There. Okay. So here we go. Oh guys, medyo sige. Ayaw po. Dahil. Okay, gunit sas. Gunit yung sas. Huy, kachoy dari eh. Ah! Sige, padayon sa dito. While I stay here. Flyers. Hi you guys, after minutes of walking and climbing up and down, we finally arrived. Wala expect ang mga Yadz, kaya nangurog ang mga tuhod sa mga Yadz. And this is Dao Falls. Sorry. There you go guys. Yes. Susulitin namin ang pictorial feature. Dao Falls. So, kay panggutom mga Yadz, no? So, naumara may pa-picture sa, of course, sa ilang landmark. Siempre, Samboan. Others at bang dahil, Siempre, Samboan. So, kita mo yung barbecuehan. So, mga out sa may barbecue, kay cute ang tagiya, wapo ang tagiya. Naro siya dahil, oh, wait sa day. Naro siya dahil, Siempre, Samboan. Basta dahil. Talikod man siya. Babe! Paglemoyan ka, akin ka. Char. So nangamay siya ng mga toddler pag kita na mo. Ay! Baby! Ay, baby! What's up mga Yadz? And we are now going home. But before we go home, na-picture sa dali sa garden sa silingan. Kaya nice kayo lang mga flowers mga Yadz. Ah, diba? And then there's this. It's a scenic view. Perfect to end our long weekend family vacay. So yun mga Yadz. I hope na-enjoy mo sa among laglaag, sa among northern trip, southern trip. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button and like, comment, and share. Ta-da! This has been your Yadz Travel saying bye for now.